Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
And what's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we start this video, go and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. On this video, we'll be talking about the rumors that we heard out there. Boy, it's been a lot of rumors. Oh, you can stay
Ooh,
tuned for this. We have news. We have news.
rumors,
I
rumors.
don't want to spoil it, but shock drop.
Ooh. Hey, stay
So
tuned.
rumor has it.
Stay tuned to the end of this video.
So rumor has it that Clock and Nike will soon part ways, putting an end to almost a 2-decade partnership. But before the two call it quits, they'll be releasing one final collaboration sneaker. Newly leaked photos of the Clock Nike Dunk Low What the shows different patterns used throughout to make this shoe. At this time, there is no confirmed release date or retail price has been given. But stay tuned to us and we'll let y'all know, sneakerheads.
So, with great sadness, the co-founder of the Born and Raised passed away. So, at this time, we just gonna give a moment of silence. And our condolences go out to the family. But with the passing of the co-founder, the Born and Raised have been postponed. So right now there's no date out there because of that.
So moving on, we finally got our first look at the Nike Kobe 6 Protro Reverse Grants. It's set to release this holiday season 2023. The shoe features a predominantly bright red color with electric green pops on the laces. Electric green covers Kobe's logo and on the tongue and on the bottom of the heel of the shoe. Let me know, are you copying this or dropping these Kobe Protro Reverse Grants?
Hey, bro, I can't wait till those Jordan ones, UNCs come out. Man, they coming. They coming. But hey,
Yes, sir.
but I got these. I got
Damn.
these. Yes, sir. Steeler Nation. Yep. So those Jordan 1s, those UNCs are coming out. Hey, you hearing it first from the true sneakerhead, bro. They will have the same color blocking, right? So what you'll find here, wherever you find yellow, this will be that UNC blue. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
That UNC blue. Hey, hey, bro, ain't that your favorite pair? The UNC.
Yes, sir.
I know you'll be rocking those. Look at that.
I'm gonna try to
UNC.
go for one. No, it ain't
Look
gonna
at
be
that.
easy.
UNC. Look at it. UNC. Wherever you see yellow, that's where you go find those UNCs at. Again, hey, I'm
Yellow
rocking those.
toes.
Stay tuned because they're coming.
You gonna tell them about the news when they coming?
Hey, come on, man. It's shot drop.
Shot drop. It's been confirmed. Yes, sir. It's been confirmed. Shot drop. Yes, sir. It's been confirmed that them Jordan ones, right? UNC told.
Hey, right now it's a random time out there. It's between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. All right, keep in mind Nike. Nike always changes the date on sneakerheads, right? They
Always
always
listening.
Hey, they always playing.
all right. But there's a rumor out there right now. They only go have 100,000 pair. That's a rumor right now.
Asking price of 180.
Come on, man. You can't beat that. I'm rocking those. You can't beat that, right? And then the remaining pair of 300K, right? 300,000 will be released, right? Via raffle, right? So hey, just stay tuned to us. Hey, and if you like video like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say it for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.